Hello. Yeah. Today, today we are today in this session we are going to today in this session we are going to know about the field catalogs in ALV reports. First of all, we need to go for the transaction code SE38. Here we need to give the our program our report name Z report underscore field cat log. Just I given click on that create button. After that I have given that field report using field catalog, and we need to select the type of the program, which is it executable or what it's a we need to select that one. Is an executable, that's why we click on that type is executable and click on that save button. Later I save this program in the local object. Of that, first of all, the main concept, now I am going to tell about that field catalog. Actually, first of all, we need to know what is the field catalog, why we are using the field catalog in the ALV reports. Okay, and the first thing is the field catalog is nothing but actually it's a field catalog is an internal table, and it's a which is used to pass the list of fields to display in ALV reports, and we can set different properties to that fields which are going to display in the ALV reports. Actually, that is the field catalog. That means nothing. For example, sometimes the client wants to see the report, particularly some of the fields. That means like he need 4 or 5 fields or 10 fields or whatever. In at the time, just we will use that field catalog. By using the field catalog only, we can generate the report with particular with a particular columns. For example, in a table I have 200 or 300 records. 200 or 300 records at that time. Yeah, actually, the field catalog is nothing. Field catalog is an internal table, and the main thing is that's only. That means so. If you want to display, if you want to display some of the fields, particularly specific fields, at that time just we will use that field catalogs to generate the ALV reports. In this field catalogs, just we need to declare that field catalog as an internal table, because actually the field catalog is an internal table. That's why we need to specify that internal table. Yeah, if I come to the report today, today I want to display the report by using that field catalog. That means it's a material information. That means the requirement is I need to display the material number and material type and industry sector and basic unit of the measures. I need to display only these 4 fields. To display these 4 fields in my report, I need to use not only 4. You can display any number of fields by using that field catalog. Okay, let's we go for the generating a report using the field catalog. First of all, I need to generate that material information. That's why I has taken the table is tables. I need to declare here tables. It's Mara. Okay, Mara. Then after I need to specify type pools also, because why we are using the type pools means if we want to work with the ALV reports, we need to specify the type pools. Actually, type pools is nothing but it is a keyword. Type pools is a keyword. By using this only, we can generate the ALV reports. and this keyword used to assign the type groups to the LV reports, the main purpose of that one. And if we come to this one, first of all, we need to what is the type pools? Type pools is the SLIS. Okay, and just now we need to declare the data here only, that is uh, yeah data. We need to declare the internal table for the field catalog, that is IT underscore field cat type. Field cat type is what is that what is the field catalog type? SLIS underscore T hyphen field cat underscore ALV. Okay, after defining that internal table for the field catalog, we need to define that work area also. Work area field cat type is SLIS underscore field cat hyphen ALV underscore ALV. Yeah, actually type field what if you want to know, just type means here, for example, if we specify that variable, like for example I want to declare that declare any character, then we will specify, we'll define like this: data, a name, type char. Okay, here you can see the name type is character. Similarly, one second. Yeah, here just we specified the name is type. The name of the type is character. Similarly, the field catalog also having the type, that is the SLS underscore T underscore field catalog underscore ALV. It is a predefined by the SAP for field catalog. Okay, and now we need to, and then after, yeah, actually this is about the field catalog. Just I want to use this field catalog for generating the only 4 fields in my ALV reports. That's why just I am going to define the structure types begin of ty underscore mara. Okay, next here what fields, for example, we have taken some material number, matnr type matnr. Similarly, I want to take one more, mtart type mara mtart. Okay, and one more thing is want to take one more, that is the next field is here mbRsh type mara hyphen mbRsh. And the next one is for the next field is mains, meins, mains type mara mains. Okay, just I want to display only these 4 fields only. That's why I specified these 4 fields in a structure. Now I am we begin the structure. Now we are going to end of the structure. The next one is, yeah, now we define the structure. and we need to define that internal table also. Data it underscore Mara type standard table of ty underscore Mara, and similarly we need to define the work area also, like work area type ty underscore Mara. Okay, and the next thing is just we declare that internal table for the structure, and for display the particular fields in the ALV report, we specified the field catalog. That field we also for that one also we specified that field catalog and its work area. And now the thing is, when I given the material number on my selection screen, then I need to get that report. That's why first of all we need to define that selection screen. For that purpose, the code is select options is s underscore mat nr for here Mara hyphen mat nr. That means we'll in select options just we'll get that material number. Okay, just when we given that material number in my selection screen, when after that we need to click on display button, then I need to get the report. For that purpose we define that material number, we define that selection screen option, and the selection screen here it is the selection screen option, and selection screen parameter name is name s underscore material for the from this one Mara hyphen matn material number. Now I am going to write the I'm going to get the details of that details from that from the select statement, and that means I need to get the details. For that purpose, first of all we need to use that event is start of selection. Start of selection is here. The thing is, we need to write that get data. Just we need to double click on that one. Click on that S and click. If I select if you want to write in includes, we can select this one. Otherwise we can select in this main program. Just I selected it this in my main program. Here I need to write that code for I need to write that select statement. Select mat nr mtart and mts or sh and sorry, we should not put these are unnecessary things. We should if we write this it would be mistake. Ins means from Mara table into table internal table means it underscore Mara. Okay, from the internal table is it underscore Mara, and we need to specify the here where condition, that is where mat nr in s underscore mat nr. Okay, now that means based on that, whenever we give the material number on the selection screen, that material number and this internal table material number must be same, then only this select statement would be executed, otherwise it would be wrong. Yeah, now the select statement is completed, and just and now we need to write that field catalog. We need to get all these four fields by using the field catalog properties. That means just to see here, I am writing another perform statement to get that to create that field catalogs. That is fld cat. Oh, sorry. Create cr. That means cr means create field cat. Just double click on it, click on that save button, select on any one of you as per your wish. Just I selected from main program. Here I need to write that I need to write the field catalog, field catalogs fields. We need to create the field catalogs. Now just write for every, just I am writing that field catalog just to see this one, then I will tell you. Field catalog hyphen column position. It is the column position is, it may be the numbering. That means one which position, one two, like that, serial numbers. And the second one is column position. Of that we need to write that field name, that is FIEL, field name. That is what, first of all, I want to display a material number, MATNR. And this third one is, and the next is tab name. Tab name means here we need to give that from which tab we are from which tab we are getting means. Here I am not getting this one. I am not getting these four fields from the table. That's why I specify. I am getting these four fields from this structure. That's why the structure. That's why I am getting the structure. That's so I am taking this internal table as a tab name. That is IT underscore Mara. Okay. And the next one is we need to specify. The next one is selected text, SCLE. Next one is select txt underscore m. It is material number. The next one is just I specify I want to specify that key. That's why I specified key is X. X means it's a defaultly it's a selected like that. Now I need to add this field append. I need to append this work area to internal table. Then we need to write append work area to internal table, IT underscore field cat. Okay. And similarly we need to write the remaining fields also. Okay, now the one field now here the one field, these are all the field catalog properties. That is column position, field name, tab name, select text, select text and key. These are all the properties of the field catalogs. Just I specified these properties for one record, one field, that is MATNR. if we want to define if you this if you want we can also, we have to define the remaining field catalogs. We need to create the remaining field catalogs for the remaining fields also in this way only. Okay, so I'm writing for the remaining three also. After that, after append this internal table, we need to clear that work area. Clear work area. Now just I'm copying, paste, sorry, 1 second. Oh, just wait. Yeah, need to copy and paste here. And the position, the first one is material number, the column position would be first, and the second one the second position, which one I need, means the next call field has to generate, that is MTART. That means what? That means material type. Here I think here it is no need to write here. Instead of that, I'm specifying a new property, field cat hyphen, yeah, hotspot. Hotspot is nothing but whenever we place the mouse pointer on this particular field, then the mouse pointer will become a upright hand symbol. For that purpose, I added this one. And similarly, we need to write that for the remaining two also. Here I didn't change this one position, and the next field, the field is 3, and the thing is MP or SH, that is industry sector. That means IND SCCT, industry sector. Here I want to I specified here hotspot. Here I want to edit, I want to edit this particular field. For that purpose also edit. Okay, and the next field is just specify. I need to specify the last field. Create the field catalog for the last field, that is fourth. Here the field is MEINS, and the description is material units, MAT unit. Okay, and here I want to give some color. That's why I am giving this amp size. Amp size is for giving the color. We have to give this amp size. Amp size, and yeah, here scenes color, like just I given the particular specific color here. Okay, now the writing of the field catalog also completed. Now we are got there are some here. What is unknown serialized. Okay, just here we write some. The type is SLIAST underscore field cat. Okay, FI here FIELD field catalog. That's right. Just it's a spelling mistake. Just and one more thing. Here table name is Mara. Unexpectedly instead of R, T was printed. And this one IT underscore Mara. Yes, Mara. Just a small mistake. It's a typing mistake. That's why this error is coming. It's very simple. That's okay. This okay. 1 second. Let me compile this one. This one also. Yeah, just a small spelling mistake was happened. That's why wherever I used that keyword, I got the everywhere I got that error. That's why I cleared just a spelling mistake. That's not a problem. Now we created the field catalog also. Now we need to display that report. That's why I need to write. That's why I need to write another perform statement. Just here, perform display report display. Double click on it. Just it will create a subroutine when we click on this one. Just we need to select this one, and then we need to display that report. Yeah, actually just we can display that report by using that function module. That function module is reuse ALV display, and to get that function module we need to click on that pattern. Here you can see the pattern. Just to click on that pattern. Then here we see the call function. Just click on the radio button. Then we use it to specify reuse ALV created display. Okay, click on that one. Just to click on. Then we can see this. Then we can see that ALV reuse ALV created display function module. Just we can see that several. I think all of the people know about that reuse ALV display. There is no need to particularly specify about this one. Okay, yeah, here the main thing is exports. I call back program. Yeah, just I call back program means system current program. That means you need to specify here the keyword is S5REP ID. That means the current program. That means it specifies the current program. Next we need to pass that field catalog also here. That's why just we need to specify the field catalog IT underscore FIELDCAT. Just what we define, what we specified, the field catalog internal table. We need to pass that internal. We need to pass this. We need to pass this internal table. We need to pass this internal table in the function module. Okay, here you can see field cat. For this purpose, just we pass this one, and similarly we need to pass that internal table of the structure. Here just I took here I defined that a structure. For this structure I defined that the internal table. This is internal table. That's why I need to just this is the internal table. I need to pass this internal table in the tab out tab. That means internal I need to specify there, pass that out internal table in the tables, near the tables. In the we have in function module exporting and importing and tables and changing also. And here the table is what, IT underscore Mara. Okay. Yeah, now we completed that. Now the remaining the remaining all these exporting and importing parameters are based on our requirement. We will use that. We'll pass that. We'll pass the information here. Just in this program we need what's the I callback program is the current program. That's why we use this one. We use the key field catalog. That's why we specify, we pass this internal table field catalog here. At the same time, IT underscore out tab is a common to all the function module of the function modules. Like while displaying, we need to pass must and should. We need to specify that internal table. Okay. Yeah, now we completely written the program, we written the coding, that is just the written. Just now I am going to compiling. I am getting checking syntax checking. This is syntax checking. Just I am not having any errors. Just these are the warnings. These are the warnings. These are nothing. We should not consider about these warnings. Generally we will get, sometimes it's not, it will never stops to us. Activating. Now activation also completed. Now I am going to execute this report. In the selection screen I am giving this just I want to here I given that 2455 to 2466 records. I need only in between of the records only. The material name is here I only specify the material number. I need this only. Just click on that one. Yeah, see here till up to 2466 we got the records here. Okay, now I will explain in clear. I will explain clearly about this one also again. Just I will open another session. One second. Just here. What's this? Okay. Yeah, 1 second. Here I am getting something. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Here you can see. Just we are getting only, we got only for the One second. Let me open the another session, and then I will clearly explain what everything. So 38. Just click on display. Just click on execution. I executed the report. Just I'm getting this one now. Yeah, here you can see I need to display only these 4 fields. So that is see here, just here you can see. Yeah, actually here I just I want as per the client requirement, the client wants to display these 4 fields only. That's why we define these 4 fields in a structure, and for this structure we define an internal table and work area. At the same time, we specified the field catalog and field catalog work area also. Okay. Yeah, well, just this is for whenever we given the material label on selection screen, we need to get the 4 fields. That's why in the to specify the material number on selection screen, we specified this statement, select options like that. After that, we specified the start of selection. Actually, this start of selection event is used to get the data from the database tables by using the select statement. We have to specify this start of selection. In this start of selection, just I retain the 3 perform statements. The first perform statement is for the getting the data from the database by using that selection statement, and the second perform statement is just created the field catalogs. To create a field catalog, I wrote this one, field catalogs. And the next one is after next perform statement is used to display that report. I use its function by using that reuse display function module. We can display the report. Okay, now you can see the small changes. So just I will tell that small these properties. What is amp size here? What is amp size, and what is edit, and like that. See hotspot. Yeah, he's here. See hotspot. I will show the difference of the hotspot. Okay, one second. Here, see here, when we move the cursor on the first field, I am getting normally like my mouse pointer arrow, but when I am going to second field, I am getting an upper right hand symbol. See this one. Okay, see this one. This was possible through the field catalogs by applying the hotspot. See this one. Again I will see the difference. Just I put this in comment, then see how you can see. Yeah, see, normally just see now you are not getting any hand symbol. Okay, whenever you place that hotspot, then you will get the symbol like upright hand symbol. Now you will see again. See, again you are getting the hand symbol. Now you are not getting, because you applied a hotspot for this field only. You did not mention for the remaining 3 fields. Okay, now just to see here why you got white editable here. can edit. It's an editable. Yeah, it's an editable. Why you are not getting, why it's not editable means here you specified the property is edit. Just see this one. Oh, sorry, I'm just I saved for the it. Yeah, every time writing that one is every time giving the inputs on the selection screen, so it becomes the burden. That's why I'm going to give the variant for this one, that is for MET NR material members. Okay, just click on save button. Yeah, okay, here the variant was created. Okay, why we are giving this means here every time I need to write that, I need to give the input values here like this. That's why to prevent this one I created one variant. Okay, just try and execute this one. Previously we got it was, this field was an editable. Now it is not editable. Because why means just we applied that field catalog for the third field near editable. It's an editor. Okay, that's why it will never yeah, now it will work. Similarly here we previously we saw some color for this field. Okay, just now uncomment that one, activating, just we're executing. That's this one. That's it. Execute button. Previously we didn't get any we got the color, but now we are not getting that color because we uncommented that one. We commented that one. Now as usually just we will do like previous, and I want to change some color. That's why previously we got red. Now let's see what we will get. Now we are getting another color. Okay, yeah, actually this is this is a field catalog. This is the use of the field catalog in the reports. And the main thing is just I use the 4 fields only. Just I want to display the 4 fields. That's why, and by using the field catalog only I generated only 4 fields. As per the requirement we generate the so many fields, like by for every time we need to specify the for how many fields we want to generate. For those fields we need to write that field catalog. Okay, that's it. For example, the client wants to see the 6 fields, then at that then also we can write 6 or 7 or whatever. Just okay, see here, for 4 fields only I created the field catalog and applied some properties to these 4 fields only. If I want the 6th or 7th or 8th, same this same coding we need to write 5th, 6th, like that. Okay, yeah, this is about that field catalog, and this is about that field catalog. In the next session we will discuss about that blocked ALV. Okay, if anybody blocked ALV, if anybody having the doubts regarding this requirement, please send a mail to me for about that doubts. Okay, thank you so much.